Welcome to this video on induction motor fundamentals. We will compare squirrel cage and wound rotor designs for electricians, engineers, and enthusiasts. Induction motors are the workhorses of industry. This video will help you understand the fundamental split in induction motor technology. The squirrel cage motor, or SCIM, is simple in design, resembling a hamster wheel. It is rugged, virtually maintenance-free, operates at a near-constant speed, and is highly economical. The wound rotor motor, or slip ring motor, offers precision and power. It allows for controlled starting currents and extremely high starting torque, making it essential for heavy load startups. For electricians, maintenance differs. SCIMs are low maintenance, while WRIMs need periodic inspection of brushes and slip rings. WRIM torque is tunable for heavy lifts, and SCIMs excel in dusty environments. Wound rotor motors can achieve nearly triple the starting torque of a standard squirrel cage unit by adding external resistance. This is significantly higher than a standard squirrel cage direct start. The torque-speed relationship graph illustrates how external resistance shifts the peak torque to zero speed, ideal for heavy startups, compared to a standard squirrel cage motor. Here is a technical selection table comparison. SCIMs have low initial cost and high efficiency, while WRIMs offer adjustable, very high starting torque via external resistance, but require maintenance on brushes and slip rings. Typical applications for SCIMs include industrial pumps and household fans due to their consistent speed and reliability. WRIMs are needed for heavy lifting applications like hoists and cranes. The design selection logic boils down to whether the motor needs to start under a massive load. If yes, the WRIM is ideal. For most other applications, the SCIM paired with a VFD is the standard. Squirrel cage motors dominate the market. About 90% of global induction motors are SCIMs due to their simple, indestructible rotor design and lack of sparking components, perfect for long-term home use.